everyone, my name is Angela Kolawale of A-Lot Henry. Today I'd like to talk about wills. A will is a testament document that expresses a person's last wish on how its property will be managed or distributed. It also states the executors who will carry out the instructions of the person. It also likewise states the beneficiaries who would enjoy the property, the assets, or the money as it applies. So the advantage, one of the advantages of this is that you would not want what you have had to work for all your life just go into the hands of those that are not, or those that it's not meant for. It's just distributed anyhow to those that were not meant to enjoy it. Likewise, I know for some of us that work in corporate setting where pension is being deducted from our monthly earnings, that's one of the benefits of having a will, because I've seen a lot of times that money is just there at the pension funds company, their money is just lying down in the banks, just money everywhere. But because there is no proper documentation, the proper document for the beneficiaries to go really claim such money and all that. And as well, and likewise, another way that the beneficiary can have access to what you left behind after death is to get a letter of administration, which can be very stressful. Unlike when you already have when you have a document that to have stated how you want to distribute it, how you want to be buried, everything is stated accordingly. It saves them less stress and also saves them less money. But if they have to go and start letter of administration, that's a lot of money, that's a lot of stress, on the part of the beneficiary. And I know that you wouldn't want that on the part of those that you left behind. So it's important that we think about, and it's not limited by age. For Lagos State, 18 years, and for the general one is 21 years. And so it's not about when one clocks, when I'm 70 now, now let's have to think of writing a will. As long as you have something, you have pension fund account, you have a client property, just as little as you have, be writing it down. But most importantly is that, of course, that you're more than 18 years, and that as you finish writing it, there are two witnesses that are there to sign that you wrote this, to just witness that you've written it. It's as simple as that. But it's important that you put in mind your beneficiaries. And of course, lastly, which is important, because you don't want to cause any rank or any quarrel or misunderstanding, because we've seen even people of the same parent, siblings, have issues when there is no will and begin to fight over the property. But when you have really explain how you want property to be distributed, it saves a lot of stress. Years ago, not few years ago, when Gani Fahimi wrote his will, a wonderful will, and I'm sure that his family are really at peace now, because it distributed the will is a very wonderful will. When I really enjoyed reading the will, because it really explained, he really wrote down how he wants property, or why his landed property, how his son, taking care of all his children, his wives, the one that he had out of wedlock. Everything was properly stated, and of course the piece is being enjoyed by the beneficiary, and that's the same thing that you would also give your beneficiary if you write your will as soon as you can. Thank you.